Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take it out of the bowl and we're going to scoop it back into those eggplant boats. So we'll take about half of it and put it in the first skin. And don't worry, we'll make this pretty. And we'll take the other half and we'll put it in the second skin. And this is a great way to display it if you're having a party. I've done this for some of my clients. Since the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern food craze has kind of caught on, I've gotten a lot of requests for these types of dishes. And you know, dips aren't always the prettiest thing in the world, so you want to find a way to display them creatively. So we'll just take the rest out of here and scoop it in there. And again, you're going to have to make sure you get all the dip off that middle post there that holds the blade. Okay, that looks good. We're just going to take a spoon and smooth it out. We'll move it around so that we can get it in all the little spaces. And we spilled a little bit, so what we're going to do to fix that is a good old trick. You just move them a little closer together. No one will know. This one's a little bit bigger, so we're just going to scoop it right up towards the top. And one last once over, just to kind of smooth it out. So for color, we're going to take a little bit of paprika and sprinkle it over there. Also take just a little bit of parsley and sprinkle that on top. And we'll take some and sprinkle it around it. The green against the purplish black is just going to make a nice contrast.